ready to ditch the dialing chaos and turn Follow-Up Boss into your call-crushing command center. First, let's talk call queues. Log into Follow-Up Boss and navigate to your smart lists. These lists automatically populate with leads needing attention. Click on a smart list, and you'll see a call icon next to each lead. Click that icon to add them to your personal call queue. Next up, the Power Dialer. This is where Follow-Up Boss truly shines. Once your queue is built, simply click the Start Calling button. The dialer will automatically call each lead in your queue, one after another, eliminating manual dialing and saving you precious time. During the call, use the call window to take detailed notes. This is crucial for remembering key details and personalizing future interactions after the call. Select a disposition like connected, left voicemail, or wrong number to update the lead status and trigger automated workflows. Finally, track your progress. Follow-Up Boss provides robust reporting dashboards that track your call volume, connection rates, and overall call performance. Use this data to identify areas for improvement and optimize your calling strategy for maximum conversion. That's it. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to leveraging Follow-Up Boss for efficient lead engagement, improved conversion rates, and dialing your way to success.